Okay, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ashu from Manali. This is Srishti, this is Iti, that is Sai, PSY, not SAI. That is Prakriti, and that's my Jimny. So we're heading up to Patalsu Peak, which is the peak above Solang village. So yeah, this is the route. We're gonna cross this bridge. फिर यहाँ से ऊपर. Come on guys. Prakriti doing all the hard work. So we have 3 more people with us. We have Adarsh, we have Naman, and we have Ajay. He's my brother. He's carrying he's carrying all the load.
I'm the hired Sherpa for the day.
Aja, come, Aja. So waiting for these to pass so that we can bring in Sai. So this is Solang village right here. So we've just crossed Solang village. This is the old village, and yeah, that is Solang Valley right there. Hanuman Tibba is somewhere there. Ajay is somewhere there.
So Ashu is already tired.
Yeah, dude.
It's only been 10 minutes on the clock.
Already.
एक और.
Whoa!
Candid लेनी है क्या?
So yeah, this is the first hike of the season, so already tired, just getting warmed up. And then we'll have a picnic. So we've reached the snow line. You can see Ishu is just ahead. थोड़ा slip हो रहा है, but we're trying to move with our toes. Woo! So yeah, that is Patalsu Peak right there, and the boys are a little ahead, but we are catching up. This is the last bit of the snow. That is Hanuman Tibba right there. I keep on going for hikes. So my objective is to show you my daily life in Manali, and to show you the village life as well, how people live here, how the community works together during harsh conditions, when there is snowfall, when there are landslides, and hopefully I can show you a lot about the life here in Himachal. And so yeah, my friends are coming down. ये लोग थोड़ा आगे गए थे मेरे से, around 100-200 meters आगे. Naman is in slippers. That's a big task. He is struggling, but he's a local, so it'll do. 2 ways of coming down the slope. Either you know, walk down carefully, or you just try to skid around. You'll keep on falling, but you won't get hurt. Whee! So yeah, we're having a picnic. I've made sandwiches for everyone.
Oh,
Just kidding. Prakriti has made for everyone.
Oh,
Ishu is also working. So
Hard.
yeah,
एक और है टमाटर हमारे पास.
sandwich with a view, guys. I'm just recording myself eating a sandwich. मेरे को लग रहा है ये content यही बन रहा है. अब क्या करूँ मैं?
अपने दोस्त को देखेंगे बकवास कंटेंट.
Yeah, you can see Ishu is struggling. with tea or whatever that is.
ये पूरा कप भी नहीं बना.
Who's gonna have that, guys?
Have a sip and pass it on, ना.
तू पीना मैं इतनी
तू
गरम
पिया,
चाय नहीं
हम कहते तू पिया. Ishu is looking so fashionable, यार.
पीती. हाँ I know like
fashion.
पूरा
Oh,
ग्रे
shit.
पूरा ग्रे है और पूरा कुएच हुआ है.
ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Boop! 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 So we've taken a wrong route while descending and it has become steep. So the party is coming down the difficult route. Here, Sai. We're on the right track again. थोड़ा सा गुम हो गए थे. You can see the view. Naman is standing on that rock and you can see that is the route to Solang and Atal tunnel which connects to Lahore, Sissu, etc, etc. Whee! So yeah, this hike is almost over for the day and now I'll be heading to Manali, getting some work done. I have to pick up something and then I have to give it to my construction site wale people. So yeah, I mean, so my first half of the day went in trekking, second half will go and work. So, that's how Prakriti is carrying her kid, her bakri. Wait, let me click a photograph. My god, people na sabko Insta pe chahiye hota hai सब कुछ. लो यहाँ देखो, Sai, look here. Sai. All my friends are gone and now I've reached home and that's my car and that's my house I've taken for a short amount of time. I mean, it's a 1-bedroom stay, guys, and it's very comfortable for just one person living. This is the view. I mean, there's a pocha right there, but this is the view. So yeah, I mean, driving in the hills is all about patience, and I think the most important fact is to drive slow. Bahar wale log aake, they drive like crazy. I think that's the biggest tip. I mean, no one is asking for the tip, but yeah, that's the biggest tip. So I'm just hoping it nikal jaye, warna I'll have to adjust the car a lot. Okay, this is quite dicey, guys. Okay, so that was काफी tense. It took me time. I had to throw my camera to the side seat because थोड़ा risky हो गया था. तो anyways, that is Patalsu Peak right there. There we went for a hike today. So I think in my life in Manali, 30 to 40% is only driving. I have to drive to Lahore, I have to drive to Nagar, so all these places you guys will, तुम लोगों को पता चलता रहेगा only when you subscribe to my new channel. So I've reached my workplace and sadly it's a construction site which I love a lot and that's the view. So this is only the side angle of the boutique stay and it has a total of 10 to 12 rooms and attic mein there is accommodation for myself because I don't have a permanent base in Manali yet. So I just got up from a really long nap, fixed myself dinner. I had sandwiches again from lunch and I think I'm gonna crash. I'm tired. See you guys tomorrow.